we are in Bogota, and today we're gonna go and visit the Salt Cathedral in Zipaquira. But for that, I need to actually call an Uber. So Uber here is a little bit illegal. So I was supposed to catch the 8:45 bus, but it turns out it doesn't leave at 8:45. It leaves at 8:15, and it's the only bus for the day. So I'm a little bit of a hurry. It's 7:45, and I am not that close to the station where it's supposed to where I'm supposed to catch it. So I don't know why, but Uber is not finding me any drivers right now. But let's see. If not, the other, like, I want to get the tourist option, the tourist bus, which just starts from the Estación de Sabana and then takes you directly to the Zipaquira. The other option is to catch two buses or three, I think. I don't know. But yeah, the other option is just change several different buses, like public transportation. I don't want to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna try and find Uber. So give me 2 minutes. Okay, someone did respond in Uber. It's supposed to arrive in 7 minutes. We are gonna be cutting it close. Oh, wait. Okay guys, Uber is coming in like 7 minutes. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but we'll see. If not, I'll try and find the other option. Okay guys, an update. It looks like the train is not leaving from this train station, which is Estación de la Sabana. It is leaving from the Gran Centro Comercial, Gran Estación or something like that, at 8:45. So now I'm calling in second Uber, and I think I have time. It's like 8:11, so until 8:45 I do have time. I think I'm gonna make it. Okay, I managed to arrive on time, and I have 15 minutes, and I'm on the line for the tickets. But yes, I'm happy. I'm here.
Cualquiera de las dos son bonitas. Tienen un recorrido más I finally found my spot. This is the longest train ever, and it was just so sketchy to go between the different cars. But yeah, I'm here and I have the window seat, but it's nice. Can you believe I managed to catch the plane, the train? Because I can't. Hey guys, we've arrived in Zipaquira, and apparently on the train they did sell tickets for a bus that is going to take them directly to the cathedral, but I prefer to walk around.
and just explore. Also, I'm really hungry. I would love something for breakfast. Okay, I had breakfast, I had tea, I'm good to go. And now I'm gonna check on Google Maps which way I'm supposed to go to get to the Salt Cathedral. But it's supposed to be like half an hour from the location where the train dropped me off. But yeah, I prefer to walk, you know, because I prefer to get the steps in for today. Okay, so this looks like the main square and this is the train. So the train only has one time that it comes to here, which is 8:45, leaving from the Grand Station, like Centro, like Gran, what was it? Gran Station, the big station, whatever, in Bogota. But I will check it later and leave it in the description below or on the screen. So 8:45, be there, and then it leaves from Zipaquirá at 3:15. So yeah, this looks like a really nice small town. I like it. Nice. I think I'm gonna come back here to have a look around after the cathedral. I really like this town. It's small, it has so much charm, you know. Like, I don't like Bogota. I mean, it's a really big city. This is what I've discovered from all my travelings. Like, I don't like big cities. Like, I know a lot of people prefer big cities because there are plenty of things to do, but it's not my thing. It's so crowded, so much traffic. Everyone is in a rush to go somewhere, you know. And I prefer to chill, you know. Like, I spent the last few months being in small places next to the beach that I could just walk barefoot and don't even care, you know. So now being in Bogota is like, oh my god, so much traffic, so much noise, so much, like, the quality of the air is really bad, you know, because there's so much traffic going on. But yeah, I like smaller towns. They have charm, they have character, you know. Okay, so I'm supposed to turn here to the right. Look at this, it's so pretty, and you can see the mountain. It's just amazing. There we go. Here on this sign it says, aquí comienza el camino, aquí comienza el camino de la sal. So here starts the road to the salt. Okay, I guess it's that way. Oh, here is a little bit of information.
So the origin of these mountains of salt is in the Cretaceous period, when a close sea occupied this area. After the water evaporation process, these huge salt deposits were mixed with the ground, solidifying and transforming into large rocks with high saline content. Okay, be prepared that there are a lot of steps and uphill walking. If you're lazy, take the bus. Okay, so all of this is the line to get in, even though I have a ticket. At least the line goes super fast if you have a ticket. So look, it's already moving. And you can also rock climb here. Look at this guy. He's super fast. Wow.
So here's something cool. The reason there's so much salt here is because millions of years ago, this whole area was actually under the sea. When the water disappeared, it left behind these massive salt deposits, which later got buried deep inside the mountain. For centuries, people have been mining salt here. The Muisca, the indigenous community, valued salt so much they called it white gold. And even in modern times, miners would spend long hours underground carving it out. Working down here wasn't easy, and in the 1930s, the miners actually carved a small chapel underground so they could stop and pray for protection before heading deeper into the mine. That simple idea slowly grew. In the 1950s, they decided to create something much bigger, a full cathedral carved entirely out of salt. Imagine miners and artists side by side, chiseling walls, tunnels, and even giant crosses straight out of the rock itself. That's cool, isn't it? The first version eventually became unsafe, so in the 1990s, they built a new one, even larger, about 180 meters underground. And the amazing thing is, nothing here was built in the traditional sense. It's all carved directly into the salt mountains. Each chamber represents a part of the stations of the cross, and the lighting makes the walls glow in these surreal colors. It really feels like you're walking inside a mix of art, history, and geology all in one place. So yeah, this isn't just a church underground. It's literally a cathedral carved out of an ancient sea. Pretty wild, right?
Frankly, this is the most beautiful cathedral I've ever been. I'm not very religious, but this was really pretty. Yeah, and you also have a guide, but the guide it's included, the price for the guide is included in the ticket you buy, but it's in Spanish. I do speak Spanish, but it wasn't really interesting for me because he was talking more about religion and stuff. But yeah, if you don't speak any Spanish, you won't understand a thing. And now I'm thinking that I should climb this wall. I'm gonna go ask how much it costs. Okay, I got the ticket. It's 15,000, which is like 4 euros or something. Ah, yes, I'm gonna climb it. Let's go. Okay. Ah, okay. Okay.
Okay, I really wanted to go up to the final point, but after that there was inclination that was about to start, and also like my muscles started to shake, so I was like, okay, let's let's give up, you know, give in. I mean, yeah, I think if I practice this for a few days I could definitely go up, but right now my muscles are still shaking. But that was a lot of fun. Guys, if you are in Bogota, definitely come visit the Salt Cathedral because it's really nice. It's probably the most beautiful cathedral I've ever seen. And if you're into a little bit more extreme stuff, go climb the wall. That was fun. And it's so cheap, so yeah, you can do that. So yeah, now I'm gonna go a little bit around the town and then catch the train back. That was all for today, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.